Oh yeah, okay. In this video we're going to talk about the symmetrical triangle, and this is also a continuation pattern. Okay, so the way this will basically look is you'll have the market going up, alright, and then it will start making a kind of a pattern like so. Alright, then what you need to do is you need to draw your trend line in, okay, and you only need basically 2 points. If you can get 3 points of references, that would also be good as well. Okay, and we'll take a look at these points as well, and whatever the distance is between like here to here, let's say for instance that was like 1 grid, 2 grids, 3 grids, 4 grids, let's say it was like 5 grids. Right, 1 2 3 4 5. When this breaks at that particular point right there, we can count up 5 grids from that point. 3 2 1, and this area here will be your TP area. Okay, now you don't want to guess which way it's going to break. You need to basically wait until this line is broken. Okay, and then go for the long trade or the short trade, depending on which direction you're going in. All right, let's go ahead and look at the charts and see if we can actually find an example. Okay. Trying to find a really nice clear, and I'm not really seeing any nice clear ones. I guess if you use this kind of technique all the time, you're gonna spot these out pretty quickly. Well, there's a non-symmetrical triangle. Okay, and from where that point is down to here, it'll be 1 2 3 4 5 6 6.5. There looks like a half from there, so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is that 6 6.5 7? Either way, one of those 2 points, it got hit. Alright, and there was your break right there. Okay, I've already gone as far forward there. See if we can find any more. Okay, that's a declining wedge, but we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, here we go. Alright, 2 points. 1 2, and there's quite a few points on here that we could look at, so that'd be fine. Alright, calculate the distance. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 3/4 blocks. There looks like a 3/4 block. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there's the TP right there, and it ends up getting hit. I mean, that was a 1 hour time frame bar from the point at where it actually broke out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3/4. Actually, it's up here, beg your pardon. That's where the breakout actually appeared, and it did actually get hit. So we can see that from this period down here around about 4th of October, the TP gets hit basically 3 days later. Alright, and yeah, so there you have it. Okay, like here's another one as well. Calculate 1 2 3 4 5, and from the break 1 2 3 4 5, boom, and there's your TP. Alright, so there you go. This will be the same for symmetrical and non-symmetrical triangles as well. Okay, so I'll leave you with that video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.